Tracking this blizzard of 2013, part 15 or 16. Icicles. Now you can see them better, like you didn't at night. It has stopped snowing. And yeah, it is 11:06. Last time I filmed was 8:40. I just got home. I will have more video updates for you though, because we will be going to Central Park soon. A lot of snow there. I'm going to be uploading a video of the ruler in the snow. It went up to 8 inches. All the way down. And I can see everything a lot clearer. There's the pencil in the snow, if you could see that. Somewhere around there. Sorry, it's just very hard to see. I'll see you guys next time. I'm gonna film a video right after this, actually. Alright. A lot of the snow is just, what's it called? Shoveled. And just had a fun time, you know? Just went out in the snow. And randomly did random stuff. And yeah. Blizzard of 2013. Peace.